I love it when I do my whole explanation and then I realize that I didn't hit record. So I'm trying take two. I am doing an ombre with plum colors. So you can see I have created these plums, so I mix them myself. I'm going to be using Parisian Pink, which is supposed to be a slow mover, so hopefully I can get an ombre done. To create my plums, because I've never found a supplier that sells a plum I like, I use pink and black and white mica. So this dark one is about equal parts pink and black. This one is about 3/4 pink to quarter black, or 2/3 pink to third black. I kind of play around with it depending on what hue I want. And this one's about half pink, quarter black, quarter white mica. So I'm going to use those to create my ombre, and I don't know if I'm going to do light to dark or dark to light. I have to go figure that one out. But that is the color scheme. I'll pour it, and then once I cut it tomorrow, I'm making an Eiffel Tower stamp that I plan to stamp and then infill with mica. So there you have it. Let me go prep the soap and I'll be back. Here are my three colors. I decided to go light, medium, dark with the pour. I did add actually a little titanium dioxide into this mix after I mixed it together, because I decided that it wasn't quite light enough to create the contrast, well, as much as an ombre as I wanted to get. So I decided to add a little bit more white to it. So anyways, this one smells good. I am just gonna speed this up, and I'm gonna do lots and lots of passes to get that hopefully beautiful ombre. So enjoy, sit back, enjoy, and stay tuned for the cut tomorrow. Well, it'll all be in one video, but you know what I mean. Anyways, enjoy. Cut this and see what type of ombre I ended up with. So as I was pouring this, which you don't actually completely see in the video, I ended up going back and adding more black to a portion and more black to a portion to get the ombre darker. Because it wasn't quite going as I I wanted. And like you can see there's too hard a transition here, too hard a transition there. So I probably should have just left it and worked with it as it was, but sometimes you second guess yourself. And sometimes you don't trust the process. And sometimes the process is a feel, which I say a lot, especially with ombres. And my feel was like, this isn't quite working. I think if I hadn't added more color, it would have been super, super subtle. Like, that's the difference. Like, those are the colors I have, so you would have lost this whole portion. Probably would have been a better ombre, but I think it would have been a much more subtle color shift. So I should have started with lighter, dark, dark instead of these three colors, if that makes sense. I should have started with those three colors. That's okay. Ombres are fun. Ombres are a process. Again, you can definitely see that shift in the black there. I have this Eiffel Tower stamp that I'm going to stamp and then infill with I think a white plum, like a really light plum color. So I hope that works. I hope this stamp is not too much for the soap, that it would displace it. So we'll see. I won't know till I start trying to stamp it, but yeah, stay tuned. I'm super happy. The stamp worked. It worked well. So there's the Eiffel Tower outline. And I thought I wanted a lighter. I don't know if you can see. This is like white with a little bit of the plum. And this is the darker. And now I don't know which one to do. Like, I thought I wanted the lighter one, but now I'm not so sure. So maybe I'll do half and half. I'm not, I don't know. A little seepage there. Like, this darker one doesn't stand out as much, but I feel like it works better with the color scheme. So I'm just like, even though this is the same color, it's just a little bit more white is added, I feel like it's a little jarring. So yeah, I don't know which to do.